And there is the passageway, or the back alley, which goes along the back where the flooding happened. And you can see just what the extent of the problem is. Well, that's going to be done this weekend, and a French drain is going to be put along this this back alley, and that just goes straight up into the mountain. Look, there's a cliff above it. It goes up there, so it really is a bit of a problem when the water comes down. And there's the water tank over there. So here what we're doing today is we're clearing this back passage all the way down to the end, which is where the flooding's happened. And I've got two guys here helping me, and they're clearing the stuff up and getting it out as far as possible into the area here. And eventually we'll have a French drain that will come down here. So there it is, finished. Draining down that way. Now we need to wait to see when we get some good solid rain whether it works. So today we're making a hole in the corner of the room, put a drain in. This is the other one. El taladro grande se jodió y...
¿Ese va por el mismo camino?
No, es que no es para eso.
Ahí va, aquí de
Y
menos
no
ya.
es tan urgente terminar eso hoy. This, as you'll recall, is where we're going to put the French drain along here. But right down at the end, I'm going to make a small soakaway exclusively for the 2 bedrooms, just for the drainage water. And you can see there the drill bit coming out of the wall. This is the exit from bedroom 1, and that is the exit from bedroom 2. And you can see that's about at the right height. A little bit high still, maybe, but this is all going to be dug out like a soakaway, for a soakaway, so that we can drain the water from here into this area. You can see the flood here, the remains of it is here. Visto is enjoying a little drink from it. I wouldn't drink that if I was you, Visto. You've got water. And we've made a hole in here, and this has gone out through there. And this pipe work is going to go up here to this, which will be in front of the door. And that will prevent this room from flooding in the future. But you can see the hardcore that we put in the corner there. And you can see the white line, which will be the level of the floor all the way around.
Bienvenidos aquí a la suite presidencial de la casa de Toby. Estas paredes, como pueden ver, más de 100 años de historia aquí.
This is where I'm at. Over there, that's the drain. So it's got a protected shuttering around it. So the tiling comes all the way across. Okay, so the bedroom approximately laid out in its shape. There we have a desk. Carpets that will go on the floor eventually in here, and the window that we're going to put the window frame in. So here's the old window frame. Look at this, how giving it a little coat of oil really brings it back to life. My bedroom. Not finished, but pretty much so. Bit of tidying up to be done. There we are, approximately connected up together. This one to there, goes through the wall, comes down here. The right angle will go there, up there. Have to go and buy the right angle. So the time has come to bury the pipe, and we're using this volcanic material to bury it. This is called Zamora. So the final stage is to lay down some concrete on top and just a thin layer to make this into a hard surface here. And then later on we'll smooth that off and put down the drains to the right height. And there we have it. Concreted over. The drains obviously will drop in height to match the height of the ground. But there are the drain from the bedroom here and the bedroom there coming out. And also taking any water which is collected here in this galleyway and washing it down to the other side. So now it's just the other side to complete. And this is the other side. So down there will come that pipe. This big fat one is just to protect the French drain that's going to go here. Oh, fuck. Another fall. So that big fat one protects the drain, the French drain. That leads into this drain, which will go all the way along the front of the water tank. And then it will connect to this 50 mil pipe, which will go down here and eventually drain the water away down the bottom here. And obviously it can go further if necessary once it's operational. And we know exactly what's what. But hopefully that will cure any damp problems that we have on that wall of the house here, but also take away a great big problem that we had at the back there. And then on the other side, the other half of the alley will have another drain that will go the other way. The battleground strewn with empty bags of cement and sand so as to create the drain. From here, that will connect to that one with the flexible, and the flexible will connect to those ones. Get in there slowly. So bloody hot. Well, that was draining. We've been working on them drains for a few weeks now, and slowly but surely we're getting there. This is more or less finished here, the actual floor drain here. Obviously it needs leveling out, and Down here we've got an inscription. There reads BVRC 137, which is this edition, Toby 2024. Hopefully that will go down in posterity. You'll be able to see how this soakaway was built. But that's all for this episode. I hope you enjoyed the fragmented bits of filming. It's a tough job filming and working at the same time, being a one-man band, even if I do have some laboring help. Remember to like if you enjoyed, share if you know anyone that's coming to Tenerife or that would be interested in seeing this kind of footage, and please comment below. Tell me what you think, what you'd like to see more of, what you'd like to see less of, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much for your support.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows are